tornado?
Oh yeah. Can someone explain to me why is my smoke alarm going off? I left it down there when it was the 2 tornado warnings, but I guess I just wanted to do this. But apparently my smoke alarm's going off for no reason, and it's...
Seriously, what is it?
I don't... It's the smoke alarm downstairs. The one from the tornado warning. It's down there. And it's not the carbon monoxide one, because that would be just... There's the one over there.
Did you put this in here?
Nope.
Oh, fuck. Did you do that?
No. It automatically has a battery in it.
Did you set it off, I mean?
No. I've never heard that go off in my life.
Here, bring these upstairs.
Yeah.
You don't need to be down here anymore.
What?
There's nothing going on down here.
Oh, I guess that's the video. I just wanted to show you guys. Bye.